Okay, so this video is just real quick to go through some of the different collar options, and I'm going to make a recommendation to you for your dog and what collar is going to be, what prongs or contacts are going to be best for your dog. So what you're going to get with your kit is a pretty standard set of rounded stainless steel contacts. They give you a short one, and then they give you a medium length one, and this is good for a lot of dogs. All right, I'm going to use this on a lot of different dogs. However, there's some other options. Ripley, let me see this collar off of you, Ripley. So this will go, girl. So Ripley had a little bit of kind of redness and chafing that was going on her neck after a little while with the collar, and I'm not sure if it's because she was pressing on it or she was having some irritation or what the case may be. They do make a titanium comfort pad like this. You can see it's got 4 contacts plus these little plastic nuts that go on there, so there's just a lot of contact area, so you don't have like 2 small contact points pressing, and you've just got this large pad pressing up against her, and this is really comfortable for her. All right, these are all smooth and they're made of titanium, so they're going to get less irritation. That's just something that they find gets less irritation from dogs. Dogs have less of a reaction to that. So this worked out really, really good with Ripley, and I have no problem. She's a short-haired dog. I have no problem with that one. Indy, come. Indy, come here. All right, now Indy girl over here is an Aussie mix. That's a good girl. All right, so I'll show you what Indy's got on her. Indy's got what's called a comfort pad with wing. It's like a winged unit. All right, so as you can see right there, yes, I know you love that. As you can see right there, it's just 2 very smooth, just rounded off contacts, and this has got a little bit of a titanium color to it because it's also coated, a titanium coated, so that it doesn't give her skin irritation. And this goes through real nice with really long hair. I use it on heelers, Aussies, things like that. Dogs with double coats that tend to have a problem with the contacts getting good connection with the skin. So this is a really nice collar, and it's actually really comfortable for her. I check her skin from time to time. She doesn't get any irritation from this wearing it, and it goes through really, really nicely. There's never a problem with contact. All right, and last but not least here, Reese, come here. Oh boy, is Reese. And even though Reese has a little bit shorter hair, he is an Aussie Border Collie mix, so he's kind of right in the middle. He probably could have got away with the stock contacts that go on there, but you can see these contacts, they're a little bit longer in length, and they've got like a little nub on the end of them, because what I found with him is the really rounded off contacts tend to kind of push his fur flat and didn't always get good connection. So I find that some dogs that have a fairly heavy fur but necessarily not too thick, you need that little bit of a nub on there just to kind of, it's comfortable up against his skin, but that little bit of nub gets through the hair, and that gives really good connection there too. So you can kind of see that just with my dogs, I have quite a wide range of contacts here, and I'll always try and make a recommendation of what's best for your dog when we start training. But if you ever have any questions about this, let me know, and also keep an eye out where you put the collar on the dog over time to make sure that there's not like some redness or anything going on there, because if there is, we can always just make an easy change to get a collar that's best suited for your pup.